are you wondering how is the camera quality on these mini cheap drones? So first, when it comes to these drones, they actually go under different names, but again, these are identical drones with identical cameras, so they simply have maybe different sellers and different places where they sell. They simply maybe have different box, but again, the actual camera you will receive as a controller and yeah, basically the drone itself is identical on all of them. By the way, also in some listings you will see that you get like a choice between the like 8K camera, also 6K camera, and also 4K camera. But these listings are a complete scam in my opinion, because the cameras actually are identical on all of them, so no matter which version you actually purchase, you will actually receive the same like camera. And the camera resolution, so a lot of these listings will even claim that they have 4K or 6K quality. Again, that's not actually 4K quality, so it's much worse. In fact, it's not even full HD quality. So if I go in my app, so I will simply show you what it can do. By the way, this drone also only records video, so it doesn't record not like voice. So maybe let's start a video. So I have recorded simply something over here, so you can see the quality. So again, this isn't even like HD quality. But again, we really have to consider just how little money this drone costs. So you can simply observe for yourself. You see, just for basic stuff, I guess it's plenty fine. So if you are simply want to have a bit of fun with your drone and maybe like take a few videos, see something basically, you can definitely still use it easily. By the way, also, if I actually compare the video quality of this drone versus other cheap drones up to maybe like $30 or $40, then again, this actually probably has one of the best cameras out there. So again, the camera, if you actually compare it to other cheap drones, isn't even that bad. Of course, it's not very good quality, but still, it's still like usable as you see. So you can see even fine details kind of here. But again, when it comes to those listings, again, so the resolution in those listings, again, it's not true. So this is the maximum quality you could expect to get from this camera. So again, I have the like 8K listing, so yeah. So as you see, sometimes maybe the exposure shift isn't very good, but for most part, just for some basic stuff, so at this price you probably can't complain much. So yeah, that's yeah. And also when it comes to the other camera, so yep, this also drone has actually got two cameras. So you see, you have this tiny camera on the bottom of the drone. When it comes to quality on that one, that is however pretty much unusable. So again, even though this isn't even like very good camera, but this one, yeah, it's complete trash. So again, this is pretty much like unusable. But still, basically this one, yeah, for just basic stuff, I guess it's okay. By the way, if you're looking to get this drone, I'll leave special discount link in the description where you can get this drone on AliExpress for literally only a bit over $10. And that also is with free shipping. So yep, that's what I actually paid for mine. And when it comes to overall performance, if you're wondering if the drone, apart from camera, is actually good, then yep, I can highly recommend this drone, because again, in this channel, in the past year, I have had maybe like 4 or 5 of these very cheap drones, up to maybe like $30, and this by far is the best. Not only probably the best camera quality, but also like build quality also is really the best, and how easy it is to fly also is really the best, and also maybe range also is probably one of the best out there. Of course, it's nowhere as good as if you compare maybe to like actually like maybe some DJI camera, which cost like $200 or $300. So obviously it's nowhere near that. But again, just for basic fun, I still think it's really the best budget drone over there. So yep, I can highly kind of recommend. And camera, just for basic stuff, as you saw, it is still probably like good enough just for fun. Anyway, good luck.